Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from SpiffyGear.com. It's the Lumee. It's basically a light bracelet. Comes in two different variations, a bicolor and an RGB. So you got one that's kind of just your basic color and then one that has multiple colors inside of it. Now what's really cool about these is you can use them stretched out. You can hang them off the little hole that's at the top of them, and they will also bend and wrap. So you can wrap it around a pole. You can wrap it around maybe stick it on top of your camera straight up. It will also wrap around your wrist like a bracelet. So it kind of makes something where you can take the light with you, use it when you need it, and you've always got it, and it kind of looks cool, especially if you're using it as a bracelet. So really interesting the work and thought they put in here. And if you're a cameraman who maybe wants to do a cool shot of a girl, wearing some bracelets and the light, is bouncing off, and, you've got that sort of effect going on, there's probably a lot of different things you can do with this with a creative mind. We were pretty impressed with them. These things are basically a slap light. It's the first cinematic wearable light you can carry anywhere on your hand or in your bag. It's cinematic. It's got 95 CRI. It's rated with 2700K to 6500K or RGB cycle. It's mountable. It's got a small, lightweight slap and wrap or magnetize anywhere. So that's great too. And it'll help make you have perfect selfies. If you're at the bar, the beach, the street, you can take the perfect selfie and have the light to do it. It's very tough. It's splash-proof, long-lasting, beautiful in its package. And it's rechargeable. Runs for an hour on full power and days without a power pack. There's lots of different applications you can do with this, and it really looks cool. And if you're a photographer, you can probably come up with some really creative stuff for this as well. I like it, and it's very easy to take and use. If you're using this in outdoors, camping or whatever, you want to be able to see around you when you're operating in the dark, or if you're a cameraman operating in the dark, this is a great way to kind of have a light around your wrist as well. So be sure to check it out. Go to SpiffyGear.com. Check out the Lumees, and I think you'll like them. We were pretty impressed with them, and they do a great job, along with all the other stuff they sell on their website. So be sure to check that out as well, SpiffyGear.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.